Here we are at the end of week 8 in this renovation. This week we got the knee panel on and all the doors are installed and the drawers, and we got the pantry in, but it's not even close to finished. We need to trim it out yet. The center section will have a lift up door as well as a pull out countertop. We've just set it there for interim. The Devon Laurel is all finished, and so this will be spices from floor to ceiling all the way up. And the cabinetry's in here. We have the doors in and adjusted, and a lift up door for the fan. Won't get much use. On this side of the kitchen, we have all the drawer fronts in. We've ordered a special garbage, put it right at the countertop to make it nice and easy to put in. And under the sink, we always put a nice large drawer that you can access everything you need to access with a 70 kilogram slide. It's coming together. By the end of next week, we'll have the pantry done, the trim will be painted out, she'll be moved into the kitchen.